This is a Venus flytrap, the most evolutionarily spectacular kind of carnivorous plant. The Venus flytrap is impressive because it also moves. It's a consummate specialist. Inside its leaves, some extremely fine sensors wait for something to touch them 2 times in quick succession. When this happens in the right lapse of time, the trap snaps shut inexorably. Some sensors order the millions of cells in the center of the leaf to release water at great speed. And the sudden reduction in the size of these cells causes the leaf to contract and act like a hinge. Trapped in a tiny prison cell, unable to move, with no chance to escape, the prey will die in a few hours, reducing the suffering that otherwise could last a lot longer.